Inside the Summit House. Perched atop the gated Deer Crest Estates in Park City, Utah, the appropriately named Summit House is less of a traditional ski chalet and more of an architectural triumph. Designed by renowned architect Michael Upwall, this staggering 20,000 square foot estate masterfully redefines mountain living. Upwall's design avoids the heavy, cloistered feel of yesteryear's cabins, instead opting for a brilliant fusion of artistic spatial planning and slopeside luxury. Expansive, multi-tiered decks extend the living spaces outward, framing breathtaking, uninterrupted views of the surrounding mountains and alpine lakes. The estate operates as a meticulously crafted resort within a resort. Transitioning from the crisp Utah air to the warmth of the interior is a curated experience. But it's the lifestyle embedded in the floor plan that truly staggers. The home is an entertainment powerhouse. Imagine carving up the slopes of America's premier ski resort, gliding directly to your back door, and spending the afternoon in your private indoor sports court or bowling alley. As evening falls, the itinerary might include a screening in the 4K Dolby Atmos Theater, a nightcap at the custom sports bar, or a soak in the heated, waterfall-fed hot tub. Summit House offers the ultimate blend of extreme privacy and unfettered access to historic Park City. It presents a unique architectural challenge, however. With a home this spectacularly equipped, finding the motivation to actually leave and go skiing might just be the hardest part of your day.